Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sierra and I'm back today with another video. So today I am introducing a new series on my channel. I am going to be doing things that probably all of you, many of you have done already, or maybe not, but it's just trying new beauty products or doing new little adventures for the first time. So things that probably a lot of people have done, but I haven't, and this year I just want to just make sure I dabble into a lot of little things that I'm curious about, which is not, it's not going to be anything like super wild, super interesting at all, but just random stuff that I'm like, I haven't done that, let me try. So it's going to be my first time, and today I'm trying magnetic lashes. Like, I have not tried these before, even though they've been on the market for forever. So I went to Ulta and I picked up the Ardell magnetic liner and lash. I have been so curious because this year I feel like I just started, I don't know, not this year, I guess the past couple of years, like what are we in, 2021? So like 2020, I really tried to find my perfect lash, just because before I never really wore lashes. I wore like individuals, like the little single ones, just because I felt like because I have hooded eyes, they just swallowed my eyes. They just looked outrageous. Like when I was in dance competitions and I would put like false eyelashes on, it just was not the move. It literally took over my whole eye. So I've really been getting into false eyelashes and figuring out what works for my hooded eyes. And I don't know, I've just never tried the magnetic ones, but I know like lash application in general, I feel like can be more complicated and time consuming than necessary, so I really wanted to try these magnetic ones. My only thing is I usually cut my lashes because I have hooded eyes. I put them on the edge and not too much so it doesn't like swallow my whole lid on the inside, you know what I'm saying? So I usually cut them, and I feel like with this, for it to work, I have to put the whole thing, or I'm just going to be cutting a magnet off, which seems like such a waste, but also I'm not about to go back to the times when lashes were like swallowing my eye. So yeah, I did see like some kind of corner lashes or upper and lower lashes, but I just got the traditional pack and I'm going to try them, but if I have to cut them, they're magnetic, so I can just easily rip them off. So yeah, I'm going to get started. So I'm all zoomed in here and I have the lashes, the Ardell 110s. So it says apply the liquid liner and 2 layers and then let it get semi-dry, I think it says. Liquid liner while liner is still semi-wet. There we go. So while it's semi-wet, apply the lashes. So we're gonna pull the mirror up here and try this out. I'm really excited, but I do feel like I'm gonna have to cut these lashes, but these would just be so much easier and save so much time. So we have this liner. I like the applicator, pretty nice, but yeah, I want to see if this works, but also like, is it gonna work on a thin line? Because I'm not gonna do a thick line because I have hooded eyes and that's gonna look not good. So I have 2 layers on. Okay. I don't know, it's not really sticking. Oh wait, yeah it is. Oh, the inner corner isn't sticking that well. Ah, is it because it's dry or because it's just not gonna stick? I don't know, y'all. It's really not sticking. I might have waited too long. Okay, the middle is attaching really good, but the outside is not attaching that good. Oh, okay, it's attached. Oh, these look really natural, which I like. And I don't even feel like I needed to, you know, cut them. Oh, see, it's pulling that off. Why does that look so weird to me? I just pulled it off. Maybe I'm messing with it too much. I don't know. I'm not obsessed with it so far, but I did want something really easy. And I was trying to get it closer to the lash line because I feel like it's kind of just like sitting on, like you can just see the band so well. I don't know, y'all. I'm not a huge fan. If I'm being honest, like, I'm not a huge fan. I don't know. It's just not sticking very well. It's just not doing it for me. But I'm gonna try the other eye, and then we will see. See, if I have to do like a really thick liner to get this to work, I don't think it's gonna be for me. But let's try. Okay, that's the second coat. Let me hurry up while it's semi-wet. Even though it's all on my lashes now, and see if I can get this to stick. I just felt like it was gonna boom, 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 just magnetize to my eye. And I'm not getting that. Oh. Okay, I feel like this eye worked 10 times better than the first one. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not a huge fan. It's just not sticking that good. I'm a fan of the naturalness of the Ardell 110. But I'm not a fan of like how this is not sticking. Let me try the other eye again. So I'm back with the final lashes. Let me bring my mirror over here. Yes, these are the final lashes, and to be honest, I'm not really impressed with magnetic lashes at all. Like, maybe I should try a different brand. I know, was it EYELASHES? I think it just came out with like a liner lash combo, like a magnetic lash liner situation. So maybe I should try them next, but honestly, I am not impressed. I'm really not impressed. I feel like they don't attach really well. Not as well as I thought. Like, I'm thinking magnetic, it's gonna swoop, swoop, swoop all up on my eyes. Like, you just boom, 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 and it's just gonna stick. That did not happen. I had to put layers and layers and layers of eyeliner on, which I feel like you have to do thick liner for it to really work. And that's not good for hooded eyes. Like, that doesn't really do the thing for hooded eyes. Like, you can't have all that liner on there. It's just gonna look a mess. So yes, I don't feel like it's a hooded eye friendly really. And I don't know, it kind of feels like I feel it. Like, I feel that I put a lot of liner on to make these adhere. So I don't know, it's just, I'm looking at it in the mirror. It's really not for me. I'm gonna be honest, like, after this video, I'm gonna take this off and put on lashes with glue and call it a day. Yeah, I also just feel like it looks very fake lashy. You know, like, it looks like fake lash. I don't know. Like, these are very natural lashes, but like, it looks like the band is just so high on my eyelid to try to get them to stick. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like you can't really, there you go, you can tell. Like, do you see how the band is like on my lid? Yeah, no. It's a no for me. So I just wanted to try them for the first time. I've seen magnetic lashes in stores and just around for a really long time. I wanted to check it out. But yeah, this is what I got. So I don't know, if you want to see me test out more random things in the beauty community, then like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.